Hello friends, I'm Gender Fluid Pain Sniffer. That is Mr. Moogle. Today we will be unboxing CVS Health's non-drowsy Tussin Cough with the 20 liquid-filled capsules. This thing is a fucking beauty. Look at it. Oh my god. This stuff is absolutely amazing at reducing your cough. Alright, let's begin. Alright, let's start unboxing this thing. Now, unfortunately, I lack a knife or a spoon, so I'm gonna try just... It's kind of working. I don't know. Here, let me... Alright, sorry about that, guys. I found something new that I could use. Try and open it. Just really just try and get in there with this. This is just opening it's a pill bottle opener. Don't worry about it. Sorry about that, guys. I was finally able to open it with the help of Mr. Moogle here. My dick and a chainsaw. That shit was really hard to open. I don't know what was up with that. Anyway, let's actually just hold up, guys. Hold up. Just give me a second. This is a little hard to open too. Let me get my pill bottle opener. And it's open. All right, let's pour these little babies out. Let's just you know. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. Oh, we got a stray. All right. This is to say, the packaging was a little hard, so I'm gonna have to give it points off. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to see how well this reduces my cough. One thing that I noticed about it, I have used this product before, but it says like a standard dose. It's like 1 or 2 pills, but like I don't feel much cough reduction using only that. So I would suggest take the entire bottle when you take it. You'll really reduce your cough then. Yeah. What do you think, Mr. Moogle? I agree, Mr. Moogle. Yeah. I completely agree. But yeah. This is some good stuff. Well, I ended up eating all of them, and my cough is really reduced. I feel a really big cough reduction, so I'm gonna have to rate this product a 9 out of 10. Just 1 point off for that packaging. I really had to get my dick up inside there and just pry it open. But yeah, that's it. This was my CVS Health non-drowsy Tussin Cough unboxing video, guys, and thanks. Mr. Moogle says thanks too. Like, comment, subscribe, fap. Just do whatever you want. See you later.